This Chevy Astro van needs wiper blades, and I have so many different vehicles that by the time they need blades, I forget just exactly how it's done. So I'm kind of making this video for a reference to myself on how to replace a wiper blade on this 1992 Chevy Astro van. I know it's not all that difficult, but I'm just going to make this to refresh my memory, something I can go back to and look at, and maybe it will help you guys as well if you've got one of these, a wiper blade similar to this model. So let me get ready for this and we'll get it going. I got the little hole block there. So what I have to do is take that piece out, put this piece in, and then I should be able to slide it up over. And the way to take that piece out and put this piece in is to just pull it up all the way like this, and then I take my screwdriver and I'm going to pry it back that way. Sorry for the lighting here. The wind is bad today too again. Okay, I have the new piece in. I'll just turn it up on its end here. Slide this through the hole. Hopefully a little bit. There we go. And then push it, clamp back down. Can't see it, get really tight. There we go. Ow. That's good on the thumbs. Okay, that is on there. Now, this here, so the piece is laying down here. This is the windshield washer nozzle that actually just, I believe, snaps right on there. Yeah. Little flexible rubber hose. Okay. Camera fell over. That's how you do a windshield wiper on a 1992 Chevy Astro van. Maybe yours are the same, but, and if they are, maybe this video will help you. Okay, till the next video, this is Steve AZ, 711, saying, hope your wiper work goes easy. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and bye for now. Yeah, there's cats everywhere this morning. I got some cat targets here for my drone. Where'd they go?